Greetings, in this video we are going to show you how to install Tails OS. Remember, all the contents provided by this channel is only for educational purpose. So what is Tails OS? Tails, or the Amnesic Incognito Live System, is a security-focused Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at preserving privacy and anonymity. All its incoming and outgoing connections are forced to go through Tor. Tails OS is used by hacktivist, and journalist. Basically, Tails routes all traffic through Tor, or in other words, this OS is designed for the purpose of anonymity. It's designed to be portable, so you can boot it from a DVD, USB drive, or an SD card. The DVD option can also be used to enhance the security of the system, because no malware can persist inside the OS. Worst case scenario, the malware will reside in RAM until you reboot. However, this option also has a disadvantage. Bugs are often found in Tails, just like in any other operating system. When that happens, you have to update the OS, unless you want to remain vulnerable to those bugs. That means you have to write a new DVD with the latest version every time. That's why Tails is suitable in more extreme situations where using it is more of a one-off thing, rather than it being your main operating system. For instance, it would be a good choice for a whistleblower looking to expose wrongdoing and send documents to the media. I have installed Tails OS in VirtualBox for the demonstration purpose, but you can install this OS in a flash drive for better privacy. It runs on RAM, so when you shut down the VirtualBox or remove the flash drive, the whole data will wiped out and you will remain fully anonymous. I also use OnionShare to share the files over Tor network, so watch this video till end and you will understand how these stuff work.
Time is running out. The fire in my heart will burn me to the ground. I did my part, I tried my best. The things I'm fighting to protect always shatter into pieces in the end. Oh, I'm broken and I'm barely breathing. I'm falling 'cause my heart stopped beating. Bring me fighting to protect, always shatter into pieces